Hello everyone, today I'm going to be reviewing the COSRX Snail Mucin 92% Repair Cream. This is an excellent product that does wonders for dry and sensitive skin. As someone who struggles with dry skin, I'm always on the lookout for moisturizing products that won't irritate my skin or leave it feeling greasy. This cream delivers on both fronts. And here I have it. It's a very nice tube. The texture of the cream is light and gel-like, which makes it easy to apply and quick to absorb. I appreciate that it doesn't leave a sticky residue behind like some other creams can. Instead, my skin feels soft, supple, and hydrated after using it. One of the standout ingredients, of course, is snail mucin, which has become increasingly popular in Korean skincare products. It is said to be great for repairing and soothing the skin, and I can definitely see why. Since using this cream, I've noticed a significant improvement in the overall appearance and texture of my skin. My complexion looks brighter, and my skin feels smoother and more even. Another great thing about this cream is that it's free from parabens, sulfates, and other harsh chemicals, which is always a plus in my book. I also appreciate that it is cruelty-free and not tested on animals. Overall, I highly recommend this moisturizer for anyone looking for a hydrating and reparative moisturizer for their dry or sensitive skin. It's effective, affordable, and a great addition to any skincare routine.